Hey everyone, Dave Halleck here at Gerry Mazda with a pre-owned showcase in this 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. You and your family of 7 could set sail on a grand voyage in this beautiful minivan. It's got stow and go second row seats, leatherette upholstery, DVD entertainment, and a whole lot more. Let's have a better look at it. Alrighty, all nice and crisp and clean looking with that nice sparkly white. You've got fog lights down below, halogen headlights. It's the 35th anniversary edition Caravan. You've got brand new Boto all-season tires with alloy rims. The interior is nice and clean, other than some footprints, but that's okay. It's kind of a leatherette and micro suede upholstery, center console storage. It's got an econ mode, rear view camera, auto dimming rear view mirror. Here's our DVD rear entertainment system. Sliding doors on both sides. If we go underneath the mats, then we've got the stow and go wells hiding down there, so you got lots of storage under both sides. Captain's chairs in the middle. There's our DVD entertainment system. Passenger air vents all around in the roof. Plenty of room for everybody into the third row. So it's a 7-passenger vehicle. Crisp and clean with no visible dents or rust anywhere. You've got rear parking sensors. I mean, you can't go wrong with a van. I mean, look at all the extra storage back here. You can put coolers, chairs, hockey bags, and the such, and still put all the rest of your crew back here. No scuffs and dents anywhere on the back inside of the liftgate. Beautiful shape all the way around. You've got the power driver's seat. A little bit of cracking on the upholstery. That's kind of normal for a 2019 in a Caravan. And this has only 132,443 kilometers. I mean, if you're going to find a better family van on the market, you're going to spend a whole lot more money. But this one is going to be your little pina colada special for you and your friends to all have fun. It is the 2019 35th Anniversary Edition Grand Caravan SXT. You'll find it right here at Gerry Mazda in the Waverley Auto Mall. Call or text me direct at 204-298-0476 to book your test drive. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the page, because as you find them here, this we're going to hear about it first.